In this section, we will introduce information storage and processing using the MongoDB database. To speed up testing, we will use a new measurement on the sensor. Every minute, it will post to the /TPHURI an array containing the temperature, pressure, and humidity values it has measured. On the CoAP server, this leads to the addition of a new processing for this series. Apart from this addition, we stay with the chain we built, which may or may not include a LowPi or use an ELF1 network. We will focus on the CoAP server, whose name will start with server TPH something pi. The MongoDB database stores JSON objects and allows processing on them. The only thing MongoDB adds is an identifier that is unique for each inserted object. Unlike databases like SQL, where we strictly define the format of the information we insert, JSON being very flexible, we can store anything. To better structure the information, we will use the JSON-LD standard defined by W3C. It allows inserting certain keywords that will help identify how JSON objects are structured and also establish relationships between them. These links will allow us to easily find stored JSON objects and perform operations on them, such as calculating averages. We will use all these properties to display data locally using the Python matplotlib module.